it's Roxy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to explore the west of Cebu and we are going to visit Charlie Cup. It's a cafe in the west. So I'm so excited because this is actually a pet-friendly cafe. Their model is a dog, so you can actually bring your pets there if you want to visit this place. So it's a long weekend for me. So it's Friday yet. It's Saturday, Sunday. What? By the way, guys, I would like to shout out to Lois, Joanne, and her team. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and for subscribing and sharing as well as like. By the way, guys, if you're not yet a subscriber, please press that button, press the notification bell, and like and share. Let's go, let's go. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Let's go, let's go. There's a lot of caramel, so this is actually my favorite caramel latte. So let's try. As you can see, there's a lot of caramel in here. So yummy. Not too sweet, but I need to shake it first. Next is this winter melon milk tea with no pearl because it's not yet available. Next one is this Spanish sardines. So as you can see, there are a lot of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 small fish with well done egg, and there's rice. Then we also have this one. So there is spam, rice, egg, and pepino and tomato. And for our dessert, we have the fun tea cake. So look, it's so colorful. It's also yummy. It looks yummy, but let's try later. We'll be back. So we're now going to try the spam with rice, of course. Let's try sardines. Is it spicy or not spicy? It's spicy, but not so spicy. Let's drink. So we're going to try the cake. It's yummy. Recommend the coffee and the milk tea. It's really great and yummy. So I tried caramel latte, and since it's my favorite, I really recommend it. It's really good. Hope you enjoyed this video, but if you do, kindly do a thumbs up. And I would like also to thank those who already watched my previous videos. Thank you so much, and kindly subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber and you're new here to my channel. Please subscribe and share to your friends and families. Okay, so hope you find it useful, so you can visit this place as well. Okay, till my next video. Bye.